Tenda N300 Wi-Fi 4G LTE router installation video. Install the SIM card. Ensure that the SIM card is working properly. Nano SIM card. Press it until clicks. Connect the adapter. After connecting the power, the device will start up in about 1 minute. Network indicator light will turn on when the device is connected to the internet. The 4G signal indicator. 1 bar, poor signal. 2 bars, average signal. 3 bars, strong signal, smooth network. Please place your device closer to a window. Enhance signal strength. Connect to Wi-Fi. Check the Wi-Fi name and password on the bottom of the device. Once connected, you can enjoy high-speed internet. Outdoor camping/RVs can use power bank. The device can be powered through a USB-DC adapter cable connected to a portable power bank, making it suitable for outdoor camping or RV outdoor scenarios. Manage the device. Download Tenda Wi-Fi app for remote management. Enter tendawifi.com for advanced settings. Visit the official website for more information.